I'm noise fixing, what year is this, Dad?
Huh?
What year? 69
69.
Chevelle SS. And so he took the whole frame off, and now he's starting to, Andrew, he's starting to reassemble everything. Alright, go. I'm noise telling you stuff. What's this for? Oh, this is the, which, oh, this is the rear panel. Alright, so I'm noise cutting the C-pillar, Andrew. You know what the C-pillar is? The C-pillar, come here. Or you can go in there, the C-pillar is what he's cutting out. It's that thing. That, yeah, he's cutting out the C-pillar. And then he's putting in the rear quarter panel.